Ever pondered the intricacies of fighter aircraft manufacture? The answer lies in the journey of a company that began as a gleam in the eye of Seth Walchand Hirachand. In association with the erstwhile princely state of Mysore, he set up Hindustan Aircraft Limited in Bangalore in 1940. This company eventually merged with Aeronautics India Limited and Aircraft Manufacturing Depot, Kanpur, to form Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, on the 1st of October 1964. Now HAL stands as a beacon of Indian aviation prowess. The company's product portfolio is an impressive array of fighter aircraft, passenger planes, light trainer aircraft, transport aircraft, satellite launch vehicles, helicopters, unmanned aerial vehicles, engines, and even gliders. From the Su-30MKI to the MiG series, Tejas, Jaguar, Mirage 2000, and many more, HAL's creations grace the skies and serve multiple purposes. HAL's reach extends beyond just the military. Their customer profile includes the Air Force, Army, Navy, and Coast Guard. They also cater to flying academies, educational institutions, airlines, air taxis, air cargo services, defense R&D laboratories, and the Department of Space. A remarkable division of HAL is Avionics Division Korwa, established in 1982. Sprawling over approximately 1 million square meters of lush green area, the division comprises a highly skilled workforce of about 1,100, including 200 highly qualified engineers. This division is responsible for manufacturing various parts of fighter planes like the Jaguar, MiG, and Su-30MKI, and even some parts of the BrahMos missile. Speaking of the Su-30MKI, it's a shining example of international collaboration. Jointly developed by Russia's Sukhoi Corporation and India's HAL for the Indian Air Force, this heavy-class, long-range air superiority fighter aircraft is more advanced than its basic counterpart. The Su-30MKI features state-of-the-art avionics developed by Russia, India, Israel, France, and South Africa, including display, navigation, targeting, and electronic warfare systems. The Su-30MKI, where MKI stands for Modernizirovanyi Komerchesky Indisky, or Modernized Commercial India, is a 4.5 generation fighter aircraft. As per the deal between Russia's Sukhoi Corporation and India's HAL, the initial phase involved importing components from Russia for assembly in India. The second phase witnessed a transfer of technology from Russia to India, enabling both manufacturing and assembling in India. To sum up, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, from its inception in 1940 to its current status, has been a testament to India's progress in aeronautical engineering. The company's journey, marked by collaborations and technological advancements, showcases the evolution of aircraft manufacturing in India. Whether it's the Su-30MKI fighter aircraft or the Dhruv helicopter, HAL's creations are a testament to innovation and engineering excellence.